Simplified Ingredient Management Guide. Ingredients are the foundation of your operations, and keeping track of them is essential. This guide walks you through how to add, edit, archive, and search for ingredients in a simple and efficient way. 1. Add an ingredient. Click the +Add button to open the Add Ingredient window. Fill in the following details: ingredient name type. If the ingredient requires temperature checks, enable the temperature rule option. Choose the appropriate rule from the drop-down menu. Once all information is added, click Add to include the ingredient in the list. 2. Edit an ingredient. To update an ingredient's details, click the Edit button next to the ingredient. In the Edit Ingredient window, make the necessary changes. Click Update to save the updated details. 3. Archive ingredients. To remove an ingredient from use, click the Archive button next to the ingredient. Confirm the action by clicking Archive again. To view your ingredients, use the Active tab for current ingredients. Use the Archive tab for archived ingredients. To reactivate an archived ingredient, go to the archived list. Click Restore and confirm to make it active again. 4. Search ingredients. Use the search bar at the top of the ingredients list to find specific items. As you type, the system will in conclusion. Managing your ingredients effectively is essential for smooth operations and maintaining product quality. By following this simple guide, you can easily add, edit, archive, and search for ingredients, ensuring your inventory is always up to date and compliant. Streamlining this process will help you save time, improve accuracy, and ultimately enhance the efficiency of your business.